audiobook on motion, force and work. What is meant by motion? Displacement of an object from one place to another place in a definite period of time is called motion of that object. Distance. The length of the route actually traversed by a moving object, irrespective of the direction, is called distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement. The minimum distance traversed by an moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called displacement. The unit of measurement of distance and displacement is the meter in SI and MKS system. Displacement is a vector quantity. Velocity. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time. Formula: velocity is equal to displacement upon time required for displacement. Speed. The distance traversed by an object in unit time is called the speed of that object. Formula: speed is equal to distance traversed upon time required for traversing the distance. Average velocity. The velocity of an object can change even while it is moving along a straight line. Formula: average velocity is equal to displacement upon total time. Instantaneous velocity. The velocity at a particular moment of time is called instantaneous velocity. It changes with the change in time. Acceleration. The change in velocity with reference to time is called acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Formula: change in velocity upon time taken for change. Force. The velocity of the coin decreases due to force of friction and the coin stops. If the friction between the carom board and the coin is reduced, the coin keeps moving for a longer time. It would mean that if no force of friction is acting on a moving body, it will keep on moving with a constant velocity. The scientist Sir Isaac Newton was the first to study force and the resulting acceleration. Newton's first law of motion. If no force is acting on a body, its velocity does not change, that is, the body does not accelerate. If it is in motion, it will continue moving with the same velocity and in the same direction. In other words, if a body is stationary, it will remain stationary. If the force acting on the object is zero, then its acceleration is also zero. 1 Newton force. If 1 kilogram standard weight is placed on a surface with no friction and pulled it with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, then the force applied is called 1 Newton. Or the force required for producing acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a mass of 1 kilogram is called 1 Newton force. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram meter per second square. 1 dyne force. The force required for producing acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a mass of 1 gram is called a 1 dyne force. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dynes. Energy. The capacity to do work is called energy. Energy is a scalar quantity. The unit of energy in SI unit is joule. while in CGS system it is erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7 erg. Force, displacement and work. The relation between force, displacement and work is given in the following formula. Work done by the force is equal to force applied into displacement of the body, that is W is equal to F into S. Force and displacement are vector quantities while work is a scalar quantity. Unit of work in SI is joule and in CGS system it is erg. Unit of force in SI system is Newton. Unit of displacement in SI system is meter. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton 1 meter. That is 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into meter. If on a wooden block a force of 1 Newton parallel to the surface of the table is applied, and if the block is displaced by 1 meter, then the force has done 1 joule of work. Friends, if you think it is useful to you, then please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you so much.